Ever started a task and realized, oops, this isn't going as planned? Well, stopping an Ansible playbook is just like hitting the brakes when needed. Today, we'll walk through ways to halt execution safely, because blindly stopping a playbook can be chaotic. From built-in commands to quick manual intervention, I'll guide you through the best methods to regain control. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Think of Ansible Playbooks like a well-crafted recipe. You follow the instructions, and your systems transform. Written in YAML, they make automation super simple. Each playbook holds specific tasks for different hosts, ensuring things run smoothly across the infrastructure. But what happens when we need to stop this well-oiled machine? Don't worry, I've got answers. Imagine making a cake and realizing halfway through you forgot the sugar. Sometimes, playbooks need stopping to avoid disaster. Whether it's debugging, fixing misconfigurations, or preventing unintended system changes, halting execution at the right moment can save time and effort. Ever wanted to wrap things up neatly without disrupting everything else? The meta end play command is perfect. It stops the current play, but leaves the rest of the playbook untouched. Think of it like gracefully exiting a conversation, rather than storming out dramatically. Sometimes, stopping a playbook for just one host feels like saving a single sinking ship while letting the fleet sail on. Using conditions, you can stop execution only for the affected hosts while ensuring others continue. It's strategic playbook management in action. Ever set up a safety net just in case things go wrong? That's what the fail module does. It ensures that if conditions aren't met, play execution stops immediately. It's the abort mission command for Ansible Playbooks. Think of the pause module as a timeout in sports. Things stop for analysis and discussion before continuing. This helps debug issues before they escalate, making sure we don't move forward blindly. When in doubt, hit ctrl+c. It's the emergency stop button for playbooks. Whether you need to halt things abruptly or avoid unintended system alterations, this simple shortcut is always a lifesaver. Why stop blindly when we can make smart choices? Conditional statements help playbooks stop only when necessary. Think of them as traffic signals in automation, ensuring we halt execution at the right moment. Stopping a playbook shouldn't feel like pulling the plug on life support. The trick is knowing when and how to halt execution while keeping things tidy. We need to handle errors with grace, not chaos, so logging is key. A little preparation can save us from unnecessary troubleshooting later. Ever wished for a way to stop playbooks before they go rogue? Enter the assert module. Think of it like a bouncer checking ID. You set conditions, and if something's off, it halts execution. Just don't forget to make error messages clear, or you'll end up debugging in the dark. Wouldn't it be great if playbooks had a slow motion mode? That's exactly what the step flag does. It lets us verify every stage before moving forward, avoiding those oops, didn't mean to do that moments. Controlled execution means less stress and more confidence. Best practices sound serious, but think of them as life hacks for playbooks. Having clear exit points prevents unexpected crashes, and structured error handling. It's like knowing which fire extinguisher to grab when things get heated. A little testing can save a lot of regret. We've all been there, stopping a playbook the wrong way and instantly regretting it. The top mistakes: abruptly pulling the plug, ignoring debug logs, and worst of all, skipping proper error handling. Let's learn from others' mistakes so we don't repeat them. Troubleshooting playbooks is like detective work. You need clues, logic, and patience. Start with error messages. They're like breadcrumbs leading to the issue. Debug modules are your magnifying glass. And configurations. Always check them first before blaming the universe. Stopping playbooks isn't about pressing ctrl+c and hoping for the best. We've covered best practices, troubleshooting, and tools that help. Follow these strategies, and instead of chaotic stops, your playbooks will conclude like a well-directed movie, smooth and intentional. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.